Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a Revolut business account. If you've been wondering how to set up a Revolut business account, this video is for you. I'm gonna show you how it's done. All you gotta do is just follow the steps, and the first step of course is to log into your Revolut account. Once you're logged into your Revolut account, all you gotta do is navigate to the business section. Now once you're there, you want to tap create a business account, and then you can select the business type from the list. Next, you want to provide business information, including the business name as well as the business address. Next thing you got to do is just confirm the business account setup, and everything's going to be done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Revolut business account. Hope you guys liked the video, because it was a super quick one, but I hope the information was useful enough. If you liked it, if you found the information useful enough, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.